What's going on, guys? Pardon me here. Sorry that it took so long to get another video out to you guys. The one that I did in June really wasn't that great, and then I haven't had any time to make a new one for the Mishimoto cooling fan video. But exciting stuff today, because right here we have a box from Status Group. So let's take a look at what's in here. Some of you may have seen some hints on Instagram. This is a Status Group V1 muffler, and I am so excited for this. All right, let's tilt the box down and get this thing out. All right, Ryan, let's see it. Oh, hell yeah. All right, place it right down on there. Gotta be safe and distanced. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna make some nice noises. Yes, it will. This thing is beautiful. Status Group has some of the nicest exhaust pieces that I've seen. Full stainless. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What do we got here? 83mm stainless steel tips. What do you think, Ryan?
There we go. Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. Let's see. Sorry for the shaking. Oh yeah. These are gonna look sweet. Yeah, these are nice. These are beautiful. Alrighty. So, Status Group V1 muffler going on the car. If you're gonna be there, next Saturday, August 8th is Impact. Gates open, I believe, at 10:30. So look for me. I'm doing hyperdrive and then chilling out by the pit garages. So next video, we're gonna be putting it on there, seeing how it sounds. All right, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Later, guys.